Hello, everybody. I'm delighted to be here. My name is Pedro Pinto, and I'm co-founder of Fibersail. At Fibersail, we are revolutionizing the way monitoring structures are doing today. So before I explain you how we are doing this, I just want to share a quote with you, a quote from a scientist. I used to say, if you cannot measure it, you cannot improve it. And this is what we are doing. We are measuring structures like ships, cargo ships, in order to improve them. So to explain you what are we doing, we are like medical doctors to structures, not to cure some disease, but to maintain the health and function of a structure as far as possible. This is the problem. Maintenance costs, ships today have a lot of maintenance. It costs a lot. If they have no maintenance, the repair costs are really high. So what we want to introduce to the market is the optimum maintenance, the minimum maintenance they have to do to prevent the repair costs. Okay, this is the team behind the project. I studied here in ISCTE in computer science and management. Hugo, he was a bronze Olympic medalist in high-performance sailing. We came up with a problem. Pedro Ferreira is from the engineering faculty. He's a PhD. He developed the algorithm we are using, and he will come aboard of the project as soon as he's finishing his PhD thesis. Vasco is a former Goldman Sachs. He's from the financial sector, and he just came aboard as a business angel. He will be the CFO. Okay, so let's look at the market. This is our primary market. We have a selected addressable market of 50% of the total addressable market, 55,000 ships that exist today. Why are we addressing half of them? Because almost half of the ships that exist today are in the end of this lifetime. There is a danger that they collapse or have structural damage. And we are addressing also the new ships that won't have that problem. There is another market that we thought firstly, and that we know it very well, and it will be our beachhead market. It will not be the primary market because, as you can see, it's a small market. It's the high-performance sailing market. In this market, you can see we have the worst environment possible, but because we know it very well, we can mitigate the risk. So this is our competition that they measure with fiber optics. They measure the strain along the structures. With our innovative algorithm and a new method, we are able to measure the shape along all of the structure. This is the main difference. We are at TRL5. Our technology is based in some concept that NASA developed some years before, and we have a patent, European patent, that is pending. So how are we going to make money? We are selling the optical device with a value added with our algorithm. We will sell the hardware. We will license business intelligence information in real time. And with all the information we will get from the structures, we will know and learn the behavior of all of the structures and the environment that is causing this behavior. We will put this to the market, sell it to designers, to boat builders. Okay, our partners, engineering faculty from Porto, Micron Optics. Micron Optics is the leader, the global leader in optical devices, and we just finished our partnership we closed the partnership 2 weeks ago. And it's a really interesting partnership because they are global leaders, and they supply also the optical devices to our competition. Glint, they are leader of SafePack project, a European project to the safety of shipping. Okay, our roadmap, we started in the beginning of 2014 with a laboratory demo to test our system. Just a while we did a partnership with Micronautics. We have done our first sale also this month, and we are working hard to have a first prototype on high-performance sailing next month, and middle of next year we will have a prototype on a cargo ship. Our financial overview, I just want to tell you that on the year 2 we will have profit, and we are asking now for 500K to use mainly in prototype deployment and also in human resources, and some of that part will go for the first sales. We think that our exit will be with a major fiber optic company. Okay, in the last, we are not focused on these markets, but they have a lot of potential. We can use our system, our method in other structures that have this span. So what we will do, we can license the solution to other expert companies that are acting on these markets. Thank you for listening.